Hey everyone, I just wanted to talk to those people who signed up for the Workshop Strand, and I thought I'd do it inside my workshop. So it looks to me like most of the people are doing a great job in regards to the Workshop Strand. They've come up with a project, they opened up the registration form, they signed their project up in the registration form, and hopefully you're proceeding along building your project at this point in time. I just want to draw your attention to the next step, which about a few people have begun, but not everybody has started. So I just want to kind of review this with you very quickly. If you go to our class inside Schoology and you open up the Project Work Strand folder, you'll see that's number 3, Workshop Curation Template. If you open that up, that should be a Google slideshow. First thing you want to do once you open it is to make your very own copy. So copy that template, name the template with, of course, your name. Go under the share button and make sure you share that with me, J. Ross, R-A-A-S at OSSU, and allow me to edit the document as well. So once you've done those 2 steps, opened it up in the Curation Template and shared it with me, you're good to go. If you read through the steps on the Curation Template, you'll see that first of all you're going to title your project, put your name on it, basically your title page. The next step talks about some of the goals that you hope to achieve as a result of making this project and what you plan to do in the shop during this time. So it kind of gives you a little overview of what's going on. It'd be nice to include maybe a picture of your shop in there as well. If you move to the next step, you know me, I like a plan, a drawing, either hand or mechanical drawing, something you found online, something you downloaded, some type of representation of a drawing that has some measurements for what this project is going to be looking like. Next step, move on to steps, the process steps. So you might want to just think about, as you evolve and make this project, you may not know exactly where you want to go, but really just some beginning steps to get the process underway. Some of the things you might need, some of the things you might require. Maybe you don't have something. Maybe you want to talk to a neighbor or somebody else, somehow try to get hold of some of the equipment you might need in this process. So take a minute or two and just sort of do a little step-by-step walking yourself through mentally the making of this project. And then you're ready to go. Each day you should be documenting your work. Each day you accomplish something new in your project. Kind of put a little representation working on what did I accomplish today? What am I going to do for next time? Maybe include a picture. Maybe a picture from the whole process as you go through it. This is the raw wood when I started. I started to build the frame and so forth. So please take a few minutes out from working on your project and document your work. I have seen 2 of those, 3 of those from those people who have enrolled in this strand, not everybody. So please take some time, do that. If you have questions, please feel free to email me, Jim Ross at OSSU. Hope to see you in our Hazen shop real soon. Bye.